What's up, y'all? Welcome to Joy of the Trade. Today, I want to talk a little bit of crypto. It's been a bloodbath in the crypto space over the past few weeks. June's not been a good month for crypto in general. Those of you guys that have been watching our shows know that I've been a big proponent of the Ethereum branch of crypto. And I'm not going to sit here and pretend to be some tech expert, but I like the usefulness of it. I like the fact that all of these NFTs, which I think is a massive trend that's not going anywhere, live on the Ethereum network, live on the system. So I'm going to show you a technical analysis I have of Ethereum in general, and then I'm going to show you a money link and how the pair is playing out right now as we speak between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let me share my screen and go through that with you. All right, so we have had, first of all, we made this high in May in Ethereum here, and it was, what was it, $4,379 an Ethereum token. And then the thing collapsed all the way down to 1,700, 60%, 61% drop in, what was the date? It was a little bit over a month we had that kind of drop. So this here, these numbers here are Fibonacci retracement numbers. So I'm betting, this is my bet. My bet is the low is in. The low is in. The interim low in Ethereum is in. And we're bouncing off that number. And so where do we bounce from here? Well, the first key level to look at is this 38.2%, which would be $2,734. That's not a bad move from here, guys. That's a quick 30% up from where we're at right now. That wouldn't hurt anybody. Next level after that would be a 50% retracement. And that's the real number. That's where I think there's going to be sellers. That's where I'm going to think there's going to be a little bit of resistance. So that's the 3,048 level. But I think from here, the upside is easily 50%. I think we could add another $1,000 onto Ethereum before the summer's over and be back at that 3,000 level. Now, if we look at the pair, and this is the money link that I like to talk about all the time of X. So we'll look at Bitcoin versus Ethereum. Over the course of the last 5 years, Bitcoin has trounced Ethereum, but that tide is turning. And if you look at this year to date, check this out. Bitcoin has underperformed by 150% still. So Ethereum's up 172% this year, while Bitcoin's only up 18%. Y'all, there's something really big happening here, really big. And if we reverse it, you're going to see that there's an opportunity. Let me show it to you the way I like it. Long Ethereum, short Bitcoin. You're going to see there's an opportunity. That's 150%. It was a high of 370% in May. Ethereum's come down a lot worse because it was such a strong winner. I think there's a massive opportunity to make a lot of money on this pair trade. There's a huge opportunity. So if you guys want to learn how to trade a pair, go long, go short, check out the money link. If you don't, at least buy a little bit of Ethereum. Buy a little bit of Ethereum and don't look at it. Just put it away. I mean, small money. Treat it like a speculative stock, but just buy some, throw it in the account, wake up every 12 months and check it out and see what's going on in there. Don't put your nest egg in it, but just put the kind of money that you can put into something you don't need to look at too often. So LFG guys, I'm 𝗳𝗏𝗏 from Joy of the Trade. If you like this video, press like on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to Wealth Press, do that now. LFG. I'll be back with some more videos later.